assemble the magnet, the real magnet. Here has the screw. Need to use the 2.5 Allen key to hold it. Now you can see here. Then we need to put this little piece, put it on and turn it. And when you turn it, you need use your hand, use your finger or the Allen key to hold the screw in the back. Then you can turn it. Okay, now we use the number 10 wrench and hold this nut in the back. This one. Oh. To hold it and turn it. Okay, and then when we assemble it, put the magnet in this hole and use the number 10 wrench to turn the nuts in the back. Also, you can hold the nut and turn here. Okay. 行，然后晃一下。OK。